everyone. It's Cindy. How you doing? It's morning time again. Oh man, didn't I have fun at the Def Leppard concert? I'll try to put in a few tidbits of the crowd and stuff, where I went to eat and junk. It's Cindy again. I'm still at the park in Bangor, and it's beautiful out. Got
full high tide restaurant across there. Oh man, Willie, thanks for the tips. Willie went off and gave me 50 or something.
Really?
Yeah.
Beautiful little park.
Yeah, when I'm drummer.
It's a beautiful
We've
park.
seen him like 4 times.
Bye.
My wife has a bathroom room.
No.
Leopard concert. Wait, it's a public. Just chilling out right now under this beautiful tree. So nice. Here in Bangor, Maine.
So I'm up to the tree, one of the trees, where I'm always seeing the eagle in the morning and sometimes the afternoon. I don't think I see him. The sun is beautiful. Gorgeous sunrise. It's gorgeous. This is the tree I'm always seeing the eagle on. I love listening to the birds. The river's super still right now. The sun is trying to come out. I don't see George. He must be at a different buffet, one with better selection. Oh man, I did not want to get out a bit this morning. We got home about 11-ish. I didn't actually get to sleep until like midnight, and then I was up in the morning around 4, and I was gonna sleep in. I was gonna hit the snooze button and sleep in. Yeah. Then I was like, I gotta pee real bad. Yo, we were at the concert, and there was this guy in front of us, and he wouldn't sit down. There was a bunch of other people with him, and he kept bending down to talk to these people. His pants were down, so his bum was showing. I was just like, are you kidding me? And he was right in front of me, and there was a younger kid beside me. I was like, what the hell? And my husband was live streaming on TikTok in his room. And he's like, how you doing, TikTok? Like that. And he showed the guy's bum. Oh my God, I almost fucking died. I was like, are you kidding me? It was bad though. I was like, man, that's disgusting. But we had a lot of fun. It was muggy out last night, so the way they got the seats set up, and then on the side there's like those private booths on the side, so there's no airflow at all going through there. So it was pretty hot. It's a beautiful morning. Still on the river road. The sun is trying to come out. Bye. To the end of the road. The sun finally came up. These birds are singing. Oh yeah, it started raining during the concert. It didn't rain hard. It was just, lightly raining. It was cold. It was kind of cold. The rain was kind of cold, but it felt good because it was so hot in there. People were putting their little clear ponchos on. It was a great time. Our next one is, because I'm an 80s child, Bret Michaels group Poison back in the day, and the lead singer Vince Neil from Motley Crue is supposed to be there. I don't know if he's gonna sing or not, but that'd be cool if he sang. I think I like Motley Crue better than I like Poison. Still no animals. They keep it down pretty well. The guy that lives next door over there keeps this pretty cut. I wonder what he does with all the grass. Because when they have gigantic fields like this and they cut it, they usually take the grass and donate it to farmers, or they sell it to stores or whatever for hay. There's that spot I'm not going down. Don't it look creepy in there? Tell me it don't look creepy in there. Write in the comments, would you go down in there or what? See if I can get a little closer. See how creepy it looks? It just goes to the interstate. It's not like it's a super long road, but going back, let's see. I only did that long. I like being out in the country. City life is really cool when you're visiting. My mother lives in Arizona. Hi, Mom, if you're watching. Her and my stepfather live out in Arizona. They love it there. They're retired. Both of them are retired. They had enough of winter weather. Most people do. There's a lot of people that retire. They go to either Florida or somewhere warm. In the summer over there, because it's so hot, people stay inside, is like living here in the wintertime. Because in the wintertime here in Maine, everyone stays inside because it's too flippin' cold. I just recently, last winter, I got some snow. I got a snowsuit because I'd go out and my legs would be frozen because it was so windy last year. So I was like, screw that. I am getting a snowsuit. Best investment I've ever made. Hey, how you doing, everyone? It is the afternoon now, and God, I've been walking for a mile and a half, 84 degrees outside. It's pretty warm out. I'm on this trail. The river's like right there. See? So I don't step on any bees. I hope everyone's having a good day. In places out west, it's probably still morning out there. time is it? Yeah, it's still morning out west. I hope you're having a good morning. In the Northeast, well, I hope you're having a good afternoon. Trying to stay cool. And overseas, I don't know what time it is there, but I hope you're having a good evening, day, night, overnight. Jeez, that's a lot. Still on my wellness journey. Yesterday I did bad. We went to a Def Leppard concert and I had splurged a little. That's okay. I'll get it back. I'll get it back. I'll do my electrolytes and my protein shake and